Now we can discuss the method of factorization for finding the solution of a quadratic equation that you already studied, that we can just revise once more. There are 4 types of questions in this method. 4 different types of questions will come in this method. Okay, that 4 methods we can discuss now. That is as splitting the middle term method that you already studied in last year. Okay, so that 4 methods now we can just revise. So through 4 examples we can revise or we can study how to solve this questions, solve this type of questions. Okay, so the first question is, find the roots of the quadratic equation by the factorization method. The quadratic equation is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. 12x square minus 7x plus 1 equal 0. This is the given quadratic equation. So here we need to find the roots of this equation by the method of splitting the middle term. Okay, for that first we want to take A and C. What is A? That is the coefficient of x square. Then what is B? Coefficient of x. Then C is the constant. Okay. So first of all we want to take A into C. Multiply A and C. So here A is 12 and C is 1. So 12 into 1 is 12. Okay. So here the product is positive. Here the product is positive. Then the magnitude of B, that means without symbol, what is the number? Coefficient of x without symbol we can take. That will be the sum of the two numbers. Okay, here we need to split the middle term in 2. That two numbers sum will be this magnitude, that is here B is negative 7. So no need to take the symbol. What is the number? 7. So sum of two numbers is 7. Product of the same two numbers is 12. Okay, here product is positive. So sum of the two numbers will be the magnitude of B. So here in this question, AC, that is 12 into 1 equal 12, is a positive number. So we can understand that magnitude of B is the sum of the two numbers. Okay. Then what is the symbol of B? It is negative. That means the two numbers having negative symbol. Okay. Here when the last term is positive, middle term is negative, means what we get? A into C is positive, B is negative. If A into C is positive means magnitude of B is the sum of the two numbers and the symbol of B is the symbol of the two numbers. So here two numbers having negative symbol and the two numbers sum will be 7 and their product will be 12. Okay. So here we want to find the numbers such that product 12 and sum 7. So it is easy to find out the numbers whose product is 12 first. So 1 into 12 is 12, 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12. These are the three groups for getting the product as 12. So in these groups, which two numbers sum is 7? Which two numbers sum is 7? 4 plus 3 is 7. So 4 into 3, 12. 4 plus 3 is 7. So these two numbers having minus symbol also. So the numbers are minus 4x and minus 3x. Okay. Then next step we can split that middle term minus 7x as minus 4x minus 3x. Minus 4 and minus 3 are the numbers. So here we can split that as minus 4x minus 3x. First and last terms we can write as the same. Then we can group them. So first two terms are in one group. Next two terms are in another group. But when we grouping the minus symbol after we put the bracket, then we should change all the symbols inside the bracket. Okay, so here 12x square minus 4x in one group. Then after minus symbol, we put the bracket. Then minus 3x become positive 3x and plus 1 become minus 1. So we get 12x square minus 4x in one group minus the next bracket 3x minus 1. Then we want to take the common factor from each group. So in the first group, which is the common factor? 4 and x. So 4x we took outside. Then which are the remaining terms? 3x minus 1. Then minus 3x minus 1 have no factors. So common factors. So we can write them as same. Then in the next step, we want to take the common factor again. In these two groups, which is the common factor? 3x minus 1. So that we should take outside. So 3x minus 1 into, in the next bracket we want to write the remaining terms. So in the first term which is remaining 3x minus 1, after which is remaining 4x. Then in the second bracket there is no number. So we can write it as 1. So 3x minus 1 when we took outside, then we get in another bracket 4x minus 1. There is no term again, so we should write 1. So 3x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 equal 0. Okay, then you know how to find the roots. First we can equate 3x minus 1 as 0 or 4x minus 1 equals 0. Then 3x equal 1, x equal 1 by 3 or 4x equal 1, x equal 1 by 4. So the roots are 1 by 3 or 1 by 4. So the roots are 1 by 3 or 1 by 4. Then the next example, that is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So here first we should find AC, that is 2 into 3, 6. It is positive, means magnitude of B is the sum of the two numbers. Then symbol of B is the symbol of two numbers. So here product of two numbers 6, sum of two numbers is 7. Then the symbol of two numbers will be positive. So which are the numbers having the product 6 and sum 7? Which are they? 2 into 3 6, 2 plus 3 is 5. So it is not. Then 1 into 6, 6, 1 plus 6, 7. So that is the group. So we can split that as 2x square plus 1x plus 6x plus 3. Then grouping them, 2x square plus 1x in one group plus 6x plus 3 in another group. Here after plus symbol we put bracket, so there is no change in the symbols. Then we can take the common factor outside. Which is the common factor in the first group? Which is the common factor? Only x. So which will be remaining? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. From 1x we take x outside, then which will be remain? 1. So 2x into x plus 1. Then plus 6x plus 3. Which is common? Which is common? 3 is common. So 3 into 2x plus 1. 3 into 2x plus 1. So both terms having the common factor. Which is the common factor? 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 into x plus 3. The remaining terms are x and 3. So 2x plus 1 into x plus 3 equal 0. Then we can equate them as 0. So x plus 3 0. So x equal negative 3. 2x plus 1 0. So 2x equal negative 1. X equal negative 1 by 2. Okay. Now in the first two questions, product is positive. Okay, then magnitude of B is sum and symbol of B is the symbol of the two numbers. Clear? Then in the next two examples, product is negative. Then what happened? Okay, so we can discuss the next example, that is 6x square plus 5x minus 6. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So here AC is 6 into 6, 36. 6 into 6, 36. But negative symbol will be there because C is negative. So AC is 6 into negative 6, that is equal negative 36. B is positive 5. So here product is negative means magnitude of B is difference of the two numbers. Difference of the two numbers is 5. Product of two numbers is 36. Then the symbol of B is the symbol of the biggest number. Okay, two numbers will be there. One will be positive, other will be negative if the product is negative. So here the magnitude of B is the difference of two numbers. Then AC is product of two numbers. Then one of the number having positive symbol, other one will be negative symbol because product is negative. AC is negative. Then the magnitude of 5 is the difference of the two numbers and symbol of B is the biggest numbers symbol. So from this question we got product of two numbers is 36, difference of the two numbers is 5 and the biggest one having positive symbol, smallest having negative symbol. Okay, so here we can find such numbers product 36 and difference 5. Which are the numbers? Which are the numbers? Product 36 and difference 5. So 1 into 36, 36. 2 into 18, 36. 3 into 12, 36. 4 into 9, 36. So in this group, which difference will be 5? 9 and 4. Okay. So biggest should be positive symbol. So positive 9 and minus 4. So we can split them as 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Then 3x we can take. First we want to group them. 6x square plus 9x in one group. Minus after put the bracket. Then minus 4x plus 6. Now we can take the common factor from each group. So in the first group 3x is the common factor. So remaining terms are 2x plus 3. Then from the second group 2 is the common factor. So minus 2 into 2x plus 3. Now the two terms having the common factor 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 we took outside. Then the remaining terms 3x minus 2. So 2x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 equal 0. So 2x equal negative 3, x equal negative 3 by 2 or 3x minus 2 0, 3x equal 2, x equal 2 by 3. Okay, so these are the roots. Now the last type. Okay, here also product is negative. For example, 3x square minus x minus 4 equals 0. 3x square minus x minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so here also we need to find AC. 3 into negative 4 equal negative 12. B is negative 1. Minus x means what is the B? Negative 1. Okay. Now product is negative. So we know that two numbers having different symbols, positive and negative. Then the magnitude of B is difference of the two numbers and the symbol of B is biggest number symbol. So here product of two numbers 12, difference of the same two numbers is 1, biggest having negative symbol, smallest having positive. So which are such numbers? Product 12, difference 1, that is 4 and 3. Biggest having negative symbol, so minus 4 and positive 3. So we can split the middle term as 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. Now we can group them 3x square minus 4x in one group, 3x minus 4 in another group. Then take the common factor from each group. So x into 3x minus 4 plus 1 into 3x minus 4. Now 3x minus 4 took outside, then x plus 1 is the another one. Then 3x minus 4 into x plus 1 equals 0. So 3x minus 4 equals 0, 3x equal 4, x equal 4 by 3. Then x plus 0, x plus 1 is 0, then x equal negative 1. So the two roots are 4 by 3 or negative 1. So dear children, here we discussed 4 types of questions. That is for factorization method for finding the solution of a quadratic equation. Okay. So do and practice well such questions. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.